Hello boys and girls. New different video today. It's an unboxing. GSB motocross helmet. Got it off eBay. This came this morning. Never heard of GSB, but found it really good. The model is, we can see that it is XP14B. Yep, okay, tap. I've already unboxed it and had a quick look to make sure it's alright. The more it can be better than normal road helmets. It's road legal helmet, by the way, thought I'd add. Road helmet? Road legal helmet, should I say. It comes in its little baggie as they normally do. Zip. Comes in three colours, I believe: black, day glow yellow, and white. The black one, obviously. There you go. Very nice. Very stylish. It's got well, I don't know if it'd be all that. It's adjustable peak. Just going to do that a bit. You can slide it up and down. Got some air vents. As you can see, it's road and race legal. The fastener is a D-ring, which is fine. Beautiful piece of kit. I've tried it on, it's really nice and comfortable. And also it comes with a free pair of goggles, which is nice. Shot race gear. SMX GOG116. Assault. Very nice. I basically got it because I've got a Civic Terrain and I thought it would go with it. It's kind of off-roady. And plus normal helmets, they get a lot of wind blast and rain and forever wiping your goggles and etc. There we go. Bit nice squidgy foam. Very nice. It's got the like the pin lock thing, so you can click on a different shade, like sunglasses or whatever, sunscreen or whatever. Pretty cool. It was £60 anyway. I'll post a link in the description. I've tried it on. Visibility is brilliant. It's a lot better than my S3 or S2 whatever helmet is, as they call it. Visibility is much nicer. It's got a lot more style. I like kind of like a Darth Vader sort of thing. Anyway, well, I'll leave a thing in the show notes so you can have a look. That's it really. Not much to add. I recommend it. It's comfy. You don't get no wind blast. Rain don't stick to your goggles. There. Slide. Just a bit dead. That's it. It's only a quick video, quick show and tell. There we go. Like I said, I posted a thing in the show notes so you can have a look and check it out. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe and all that business. And I'll see you later.